off chasing squirrels. He stomped the ground and snorted at me twice.
Holy cow!
Very cool.
We saw him last year. I haven't seen anything this year.
I've seen all kinds. I come out every day pretty much. There's lots of deer out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a big ox.
Oh, are you one of those meditation people that pray to the trees? Home.
Take it off. Take it off now.
Oh, I'm into that. You'd have to be like a pretty girl, though. Not an old guy.
Oh, hold it. I didn't say take it off. I said.
That's what I thought you said.
I might have been what I said. That's hell not even close to what I meant. Take it off the camera.
No, dude, I'm not interested in that. No. You gotta have boobs, man. Boobs.
Okay. Oops.
Oh, sorry. You do have boobs. Oh, you got.
Hairless boobs.
You gotta have hairless boobs, yeah. And they gotta be perky.